Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows. In this video, I will show you how to export bookmarks from the Opera browser on Windows 11 and Windows 10. Exporting your bookmarks is useful if you are switching to another browser, reinstalling Windows, or simply creating a backup of your favorite websites. So let's get started. First, open Opera browser. Next, click on the Opera menu in the upper left corner. From the drop-down menu, hover mouse over Bookmarks. After that, click on Export Bookmarks. Choose the location where you want to save the bookmarks file and enter a file name if needed. After that, click on the Save button. Opera will save all your bookmarks as an HTML file. You can later import this file into Opera or other browsers such as Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Mozilla Firefox, Brave, and Vivaldi. That's it. You have successfully exported your Opera bookmarks. If you found this video helpful, please like this video, share it with others, and subscribe to the GearUpWindows channel for more Windows and browser tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.